Good day. I am Sohe Gift Adebayo, your early years educator. Today I'm going to be taking you through place value using the golden beads. Place value using the golden beads. This is very important and necessary when you're introducing place value to early years, especially children between ages 4 to about 6 or 7, or even 8. You can actually use the golden beads, and this is what the golden bead look like. You can improvise. You can decide to use. You can use straw. You can use any other beads. If you don't have this, you can use anything that you have. But this is just what it looks like. This one is for 1,000. Okay, let me start with the units. This single one, this is for the units. As time goes on, we are going to understand this better. I know some of you are already very familiar with these materials. This is for the units. Okay, this is for the units. I just have three. I have three here. Let me take this one out. Let me take. I have two here. Just 1 and 3. This is for tens. This is for tens because it is up to 10. When you count the beads, it is this for tens. It's up to 10 because when you count the beads, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this right here is 100. This is 100, and this very massive one here is 1,000. This is 1,000, and we already have this. I had to improvise my maths. I used the cardboard to improvise to just change to my maths. Okay, this is units, cents, 100, and 1,000. Units, tens, 100, 1,000. So we have 1,000, 100, tens, and units. So to introduce this to children using the golden beads, you have this. One unit. The units are the single numbers. 1 unit, just numbers that are alone, that are standing alone. They don't have any other numbers beside them. This is 1 unit. This is 110. 110, and we can as well say this is 10. This is 100. 100. 100, and you can also say 100, and this is 1,000. 1,000. So we have our 1,000, 100, tens, and units. If I want to show the children one unit, this is my bead for 1. I place it here. 1. One unit. 1 unit. So for some children, you may need to take it a step further and just say 1. If I want to say 3 units, this is 3 units. Because I want to emphasize on it and I also want to stress, I use a flashcard to just emphasize on that. I place my 3 just beside it, either beside it or underneath. That is what I do sometimes, but just so the children can understand it better. 3. Then you can encourage the children to count the beads so that they know that, okay, this is actually 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 units, and they can also see from the flashcard that there's no number attached to it. It is a single number. Let's move to the tens. Tens. Sometimes tens can be a bit tricky when you want to introduce it to children, but we're going to try. Tens. I can just take my number 10. So the children already knows that, okay, we can count if we want to. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. If I have a flashcard, for example, show me tens. Show me units. It's important to take the children through the steps. After you've introduced this to the children using thesis, the next thing you have to let the children, you ask the child to show you, so you are sure that the child understands. Okay, so I'll show me 10, show me units, show me 100, show me 1,000. Alright, that is how we teach place value using our golden beads. So even if you're not a Montessori person, you're not so inclined with Montessori, you can actually improvise using these materials. The reason why we use these materials is so that children can understand that children can understand the subject matter, a topic rather, or they get a concept from concrete to abstract. So when the children actually see that this is what you're doing, they can relate what you're teaching with objects. They will be able, when they understand it with using the concrete object, they will be able to understand it when it is abstract. So in a child's mind, even when a child is not seeing that object, the child already knows that, okay, this is number 13, these are the tens. The tens are double numbers, the units are single numbers. I'm going to take the 100 and the 1,000 some other time, but for today we're going to stop at just the tens. Thank you.